IamPython. Today in this video I am going to talk about how you are going to learn Azure AI in 30 days. So basically this website is launched previously like 3 months back, but everybody is following to understand the roadmap to learn the Azure AI. So I will walk through this website, will give you an idea about how to learn Azure AI in 30 days, right? So before going to that, this is a website. The website is Azure AI devs.github.io. I'll give you this link in the video's description. You'll get an access. So yeah, let me take you walk through. So if you click on this hash roadmap link, and you will have the entire list of information like how we can start, like kickstarting, fundamentals, building the intelligence apps, the model development, ML developers, workshops, and everyone. So all this information which is already there here, right? If you go one by one, like for example, you can look at here week one is the fundamentals. So what fundamentals is there like? So understanding about the Azure OpenAI playground, ML concepts, responsible AI, and all these fundamentals, right? They clearly mentioned here. Maybe you will be confusion with the dates here like March and April, but that's okay. The dates is not important. The content, you can have a look into the content, how they are actually put into the plan. The week one is fundamentals, and week two is Azure AI for app developers, and also like understanding about the Azure AI software development kits. And we have something called like working with the chat GPT, working with the OpenAI and Open Azure AI for app developers. All these information is clearly mentioned, and also like Azure AI for data scientists and using the Azure machine learning notebooks, how to create it, how to create endpoints and deployments, ML ops. All these information is clearly mentioned in this. And also we have some workshops here in the week 4 section. I can go to this, each and every link is given in this plan, and it is really amazing. Okay, you can learn each and every part of it. And also we have something called monthly newsletters, Azure AI skill challenges, and there are many developers communities there here. It is really useful to you, and if you can have a look into it. For example, I'm going to click one of the link and you will have an idea. For example, if I click one link from the week one plan, and you see clearly again it is mentioned, you have the v2 video, you have the like all the content, how it's going to work, and also like you'll have the menu, you can click any menu here. And I just want to add another point is here, like this whole website who is giving the like the whole plan, and the information is actually from the Microsoft, and you can see their names here, and you can also follow them there in LinkedIn, and you will have more information as well. Also, if you want to suggest any topics here, you can click on this suggest topic, and you can provide that information as well in the Microsoft forms, which is really interesting, right? And you can engage with the community as well, providing the information and all. Also, you can join the global AI community clicking on this, because all the Azure AI links are available here, and you can have a look into it. So I'm into about Azure AI web links. So I hope this is going to helpful to you in order to start learning the Azure AI and fundamentals to understanding about the some of the labs, and it's completely available on the internet. You just follow this, and you'll have, if you have any questions or something, you can post with the community as well, right? It's a great platform to learn. So that's what I want to share with you all, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much.